Science is the key which unlocks for mankind the storehouse of future. A very good morning to everyone. My name is Mansi of class 4th B and today I welcome you in the assembly. Let's start our day with prayer. And for this, I would like to call Shreya and Shruti of class 4th A.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Like to call Shivansh of class 3rd B.
Man loves to wonder, and that is the seed of science. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Shivansh for such an inspiring thought. Every day we come across several wonders of science. Science is an observation of our surroundings and taking out inferences from them. It is an unending ocean of facts, theories, experiment, and most importantly, knowledge. It has gifted us several boons, and today we will discuss about 7 such wonders of science. Difficult to select a handful of invention and discovery of an unending ocean of beautiful discipline. Yet, we students of primary wing present to you 7 breakthrough invention and discoveries that changed the world.
Though a little bit unusual, it is one of the most important discoveries, I must say, in ancient times, without which traveling would be not possible in today's time. Thank you. Internet, a necessity in today's world. Internet has become an integral part of our life. One of the toughest things to do in today's time is to imagine a day without it.
Genetically altered seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides. These three things have always helped our nation's farmers and have always proved beneficial to them and eventually to all of us.
Electricity. It is a breakthrough in science and is empowering the world today. It has made everything possible that people in earlier time could not have even imagined. Ballpoint pen. This beautiful thing and one of the best boon of science has enabled and inspired us to go further in our lives and write a better future.
Light bulb. This wonder of science invented by Thomas Alva Edison has enabled us to lead a better, bright and wonderful life. Thank
Penicillin. Yes, this life-saving drug invented by Alexander Fleming was a big thought in the field of medical science. It has succeeded, it will be saving thousands and thousands of lives. Thank you.
From these 7 wonders of science, each one of us should take inspiration and always try to question every natural phenomena and also try to find their answers on our own. Thank you and have a nice day.